Hey guys, it's Jessica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my mom's famous gochugaru. Gochugaru is fresh kimchi salad. There's no fermentation needed and you can eat it right away. First, we're going to take our napa cabbage and we're going to split it in the back. Okay, we're going to cut it down the middle again. And on the other side. We're pulling the leaves. I'm using mostly the inside ones. Servings. All right, now we're going to give it a nice wash. Make sure every piece is clean. Great. We're just gonna drain the water. The bigger pieces I'm gonna split up a little bit to make them smaller. I have about 5 to 6 garlic cloves. We're gonna mince it. Cut the ends off. I have some green onions here. I'm going to cut them into small pieces. Now I'm going to make the sauce for the dressing. We have 3 crabs fish sauce. It's my favorite fish sauce. We're going to do half a cup of this. I have gochugaru. It's red pepper flakes. I'm using 2 tablespoons. Sugar, 2 tablespoons, garlic that we minced up earlier, it's about 2 tablespoons, and a tablespoon of green onions. We're gonna mix that all into the bowl and then we're gonna add it to our napa cabbage. I have 3 crabs fish sauce. I'm doing half a cup. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes or gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of garlic, tablespoon of green onion, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, let's taste it. It's a little salty. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. So 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Better. Add it to our napa cabbage. If you have gloves, just use your gloves. I'm just gonna use my hands. And you're just gonna make sure it's nicely coated. Lastly, I'm going to take some sesame seeds, about 2 tablespoons, and we're going to crush it in our hands and top it. Time to plate. Adding it to our plate. Now we're going to add a drizzle of sesame oil right on top. And the best part about this kimchi salad is that you eat it fresh. There's no fermenting needed, and it's so good you can eat it just with rice. All right, let's try it. So excited, it's so good. It's salty, sweet, spicy. It's perfect.